Hey family, come join me as I unbox new luggage that I received from a Swiss Gear giveaway on Instagram.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising family.
Here I go, unboxing our new Swiss Gear luggage. My friend Kiki, Shakia from Team Reach Travels, and I both entered a Swiss Gear giveaway on their Instagram page. It was one of those things where, you know, you tag a friend you want to travel with, and well, Kiki and I have some stuff in store, but I tagged Kiki, and then a few weeks later, Kiki texted me and she's like, girl, we won the giveaway. And as we could blink, the luggage was on our doorsteps, okay? So Shakia got hers all the way over in Indiana, and I got mine all the way here in New York. This luggage set is the Swiss Gear Sion. I love the pewter color of it. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. All right. Where is Allan when I need him? All right, here we go. Woo. Slide it on out. Oh. All right, there we go. Look at it! Look at that color! I love this color. It goes with pretty much anything and everything. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful! It's beautiful! Oh my goodness. I love it. Thank you so much, Swiss Gear. So for those of you who think Instagram giveaways don't work, this is my new luggage set from Swiss Gear. Go check it out, all right? This was, I don't wanna say it was unexpected because I obviously entered the giveaway to win, but this was a welcome surprise, let's just say that. It made my day, it really made my day. Thank you, Swiss Gear, I love it. So we know I said luggage set, right? And this is just one suitcase, so let's see what else is in here. There we go. All right. Number two. All right, so we have one, we have two, and now we have three. The baby, the carry-on. So now that I've opened all of these up, I can show you the space inside all of them. The space is amazing, okay? So this is the 29-inch checked luggage. This is the 25-inch checked bag. And each has a zippered compartment here on the inside and a zippered compartment here on the flap. See, so that's the 25-inch. This is the 29-inch. Zippered compartment there on the flap. Zippered compartment here on the inside. Okay, but what I really love, each bag comes with a toiletries bag. I call it a toiletries bag because that's what I've used it for in the past, not with this set. Obviously, I just got this set, but I love Swiss Gear and I have other Swiss Gear luggage that I've used in the past that come with these toiletry bags. I love it, each one. So the 25-inch and the 29-inch. And of course, the carry-on, which is where you always need your clear bag for toiletries, has one as well. And there's a zippered compartment on the inside here. You see I was zipping as I got these open and ready for you. Zipping and unzipping. The zippers work great. The compartments are great. The size for a carry-on, this is excellent. And for the checked bags, excellent. The height on this is fabulous. I am 5'11", and this is where these reach me. Perfect, perfectly comfortable height for walking through the airport. So where we going? Where we going? We gotta go on a trip, y'all. We gotta go on a trip. We gotta go on a trip. Thank you so much, Swiss Gear. We promise to put this luggage to good use. To find out where we take our Swiss Gear Sion luggage and how it all holds up, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube, hit that notification bell, and follow us over on Instagram at MyCruisingFan.
What you waited for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising family.